Hello everyone. So today we will see how to get started with the Google Sheet integration. Okay, before that we will have to create a Google project. Okay, in Cloud Console. So let me quickly share my screen and show you how to do it. Okay. So uh, open the browser of any uh, and just go to your Gmail ID, log into your Gmail ID, and then search Google Cloud Console. Okay. Click on the first link, this one or either this one. Okay. As soon as you click on this link, you will reach here. So I'm already logged in with some other email ID. Okay. So now what we need to do is you go to home dashboard. So you will probably see that there is no project in it. All right. Now what you need to do, either create a project from here or select a project and create a new project. Okay. Simply create a new project and give your project name as let's say trade from test. Oh, trade from test is fine, I guess. Any name you can give and simply click on create. No need to do anything else. So there are so many things that are there, but we do not need so many things. We just need one Google project. Okay, in that we need some specific details of it. That's all. Right. So now you can see that the project has been created. Okay, and you can observe that uh, on the top of it, it's a project name, and the project info is there, project name, the project ID, and project name number. Simply go to the project settings. Okay, so these are the project setting, the project ID, project number, and so on. All right, if you want to close the project, you can go to click on shutdown, right? And whenever you may need. Otherwise, you can simply click on project this one. So click on the project again. Okay, so you will reach here, then service accounts. So basically, you need to create an account in this. Okay, so it will give you. You can generate a uh, email ID of it. So create service account, then give the service account name. Let's say trade loan, trade loan manager. Okay, no need to give any description. Simply create and continue. Okay. No need to. This is optional. No need to give any role anything. Okay. By default, it will be on a role. Click on done. So you will receive an email ID of it. Okay, the name of this and the keys are not there. So you can actually create the keys because we need the keys actually. So click on the manage key and then add key, create new key. Recommended is JSON. Simply use this key type. Don't use this key type. So use the JSON key type. Create. Okay. It is asking me to download it somewhere, open the Sublime editor. So just save it and then open it. I'm going to open it directly. So click on this. So you will see that the key has been generated. Okay, and you will receive all the details which are important to this. Okay, um, just a minute. Let me stop sharing my screen on that. All right. So what I have done is I I simply put both of the tabs in here. I opened the .env file, okay, and the JSON file that the key has it is already there. So now what we need to do, we need to basically dump all the names, all the keys, all the values of these keys into it. So the hyphen email is this one. This one. So this is the email ID. Simply copy and paste it here. All right. Then the G private key. This is a Google private key. So simply copy the entire private key from here and till the end. Okay, don't miss any character or anything. Okay. Simply remove this part and add. That's all. Right. Next is the Google project ID. So the project ID, if I come back here, it's the project ID, this one. on line number 3. Simply copy and paste this here. Uh, so regarding the Google Sheet integration, we need Gmail, private key, Google Sheet ID, and the project ID. So how will I get the Google Sheet ID? So some part is left. So let's go back um, to our this thing. So you now you go to the Google Drive and create a simple Google Sheet. Okay, I already have created here. Now what you need to do is you need to share this. You need to share this. So let's give a name to it. Okay, so let's say create on PNL data, or you can give any uh, strategy name or something like that. Your name, actually. Save it. All right. So here I need to give the Gmail ID of it. So now how will I do it? You give access to this Gmail ID. Okay. Go here, click on this, and give the permission to it. Right? Give the permission as edit, uh, editor mode, and share. So what it will do? It will basically dump the data from the trade room to your Google project, and that Google project indirectly will dump the data in here. All right. So one thing is this one. Next is uh, you basically need the Google Sheet ID, right? So I have written get this from the URL of Google Sheet. So if you will search it over the internet, also it's quite common, and the Google Sheet ID starts from this one after the hyphen D till the edit. Simply copy this part and paste it here. All right, that's all. So that's all you need to do in order to integrate these to this part. Okay, these four keys. Okay, and then in the next video I will show you how to basically do a working demo for this and add the data into the spreadsheet. Right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.